Today we will be testing a trend reversal trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend reversal trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 535 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend reversal trading strategy. And so the source video says win every single trade with this TradingView strategy. Now, again, I know I sound like a broken record, but for those of you who may not have watched previous videos, new viewers of the channel, I want to make this clear. No indicator, no strategy is going to be a 100% winning indicator or strategy. We've developed a position management strategy that gets you as close as possible, which is why when I say at the beginning of the video in the scoreboard that the best strategy so far was able to maintain a 100% win rate, and that was because it was over a period of time. Eventually every strategy, every indicator will take a losing trade, but the position management strategy that I teach all the patrons will give you the best or the longest amount of winning trades in a row of any other strategy that I have come across. And so right off the source video obviously is a little misleading. You're not going to win every single trade. Now, of course, we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this indicator realistically. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the BX Trender. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and it's going to be this one down here. We'll jump into the settings. What we'll do is go into the inputs. We'll change the first input, the L1, to a length of 3. L2 will change to 16. L3 will change to 12. The L1 long will change to 21, and the L2 long we will change to 16. Then jump into the styles and uncheck these three selections down here towards the bottom. Then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Extreme Trend indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. And basically we'll just go into the styles. That's really the only option. And you're going to uncheck the 200 EMA right here. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we are looking for a orange arrow like this here from the Extreme Trend indicator. Then we're going to look down to the X Trender, and we want it to have a red line and a red histogram bar, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade here. We're going to put our stop right above this pivot area here, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It's going to put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is a blue arrow like this here from the X Trend or Extreme Trend indicator. Then we're going to look down to the X Trender, and we want the line here to be green and a green histogram bar. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below. Let's get our trade back in there. Put our stop just right below this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see a nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we have 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 28% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $14,400. That would have put your total profit and loss at negative $6,000. So again, just as a prime example, you're definitely not going to win every single trade with this strategy. As a matter of fact, you're definitely not even going to win the most of them. And so during the same period of time, we did 21 trades with the Academy Forex Indicator. We had right at a 79% win rate and a total gain right at $10,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's going to put us at the end of the testing right there. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.